Today we're securing our home and bringing some ease of access to our entryway with the help of our new smart door lock from Hotata. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your installation guide, a mounting template, your door latch, keys, smart cards, as well as nicely organized baggies of hardware. They've laid it out by each step, making installation really easy. Then of course, we can't forget your smart door lock setup. On the first half, you have your number pad and thumbprint scanner. Then the second half contains your battery compartment. It takes 4 AA batteries, and they're not included. So to install, you'll need your own batteries and a screwdriver. Installation is quick and painless. First, remove your old doorknob and prep your work area. Little pro tip, if you'd like to install this number pad like a normal human being, you should install it on the top hole, not the bottom. But I'm lazy and I like my property unique. So we're installing on the bottom, upside down. So slide your door latch into the top hole. Make sure the square is in the center of the circle and laying flat. Then bolt that down. Next, screw down your door latch. Now, it's time to install your number pad. Pick if you want your handle on the left or right side and screw that into position. Slide the cable through the latch hole and slide the rod through the square in the center, holding it in place. Next, grab your base plate and put it on the other side of the door. Run the cable through the little hole, connect the cable to the battery compartment, and then bolt that down. Then, grab the second half and adjust the door handle to match. Then screw it in place. Line up the handle with the base plate and slide it down. Screw down the handle, and then your lock is sturdy and about ready to go. All that's left to do is slap in some batteries, and your smart door lock comes alive. Again, mine is upside down, but imagine being that burglar trying to break into my home. Even if they know my common passwords, they'll be confused and run away defeated. Now you can use this door lock as is with the key, but the keyhole is hidden, so you have to slide off the little magnet on top and insert your key. Unlock your door, and then put the magnet back on. And if you want full functionality of this lock, you obviously have to download the app. With the app, you can do cool things like assign a fingerprint. Then, when you place your thumb on the door lock to open it, it automatically welcomes you to your home. You can also tap to unlock from the phone itself. This is nice if you have kids or someone that needs to get into the house when you're away. You can press the button and open her on up. You can use the app to assign passcodes. You can even make temporary ones for guests or house sitters. Now the number pad is nice, but I love the thumbprint recognition. It makes running in and out of the house so much easier. As long as your battery is good, you're free to walk in and out without worry. And when your battery's low, it'll give you a verbal cue.
Battery is low. Please replace. Unlocked.
And it will even warn you for a bit before they fully give up too. That being said, we've only had to charge our batteries once, and we've been using this door lock for a few months now. Overall, this door lock is really cool, and it's made our lives so much easier. I've actually gotten the hang of using the number pad upside down, and I kinda like it, not gonna lie. So if you're looking to install a smart door lock for yourself, the right way, then this door lock might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go enjoy my upside down smart door lock. See ya!